So guys, for the first step, you're gonna head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're gonna click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the second step, you're gonna head over to search again and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. Now you're gonna find your graphics card. You're gonna right click on it and then click on update driver. And then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. Also, there's going to be 3 links down below in the description for Nvidia, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. For me, I have an Nvidia graphics card, so I've got the Nvidia app. And then once you're on our software, you're going to click on the driver tab. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your graphics card drivers are fully up to date through the software. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to the link which will be down below to download DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. Now once you're on this, we're going to scroll down, select your language, and then click on download. And then once it's been downloaded, we're now going to click on it. And then once this comes up, you're going to click on yes. And now this will come up. You're going to tick the box I accept, and then click on next. You can untick this if you want to, and then click on next. It's now going to start installing components. Wait for this to load, and then click on next again. And it's now going to start downloading components. Wait for this to load. And it's now going to start installing components. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, we're now going to click on finish. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.